Today, I'll walk you through how to add text in a Power BI report or Crosstab, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to incorporate text into your reports so you can enhance your data storytelling. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, your workspace for creating insightful reports. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Next, navigate to the Insert tab located in the top ribbon menu. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements to your report. Think of it as the toolbox for your project. In the Elements group, click on Text Box. This action will prompt a text box to appear on your report canvas. Now you can type your text inside this box. Whether it's a title, a description, or any other information, this is your chance to communicate effectively with your audience, so make it count. Once you've entered your text, highlight it to access the floating text menu. Here, you can format the font family, size, color, alignment, or even add hyperlinks. This feature allows you to customize your text to fit the overall design of your report, making it visually appealing and easy to read. Now let's talk about positioning. Resize and drag the text box to your desired location on the canvas. Think of this like arranging furniture in a room. You want everything to be in the right place for optimal flow and functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully added text to your Power BI report or Crosstab. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your reports, making them more informative and engaging for your audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.